Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? Okay. What is the current energy of Scorpio? Oh my god. 9 of Swords. What is happening with you, Scorpio people? You are feeling anxious. You are feeling worried. You are feeling depressed. Why so? Seems like you have lost your hopes in life. Okay, something is torturing you. Something is bothering you. What is there? What is this, Scorpio? What's happening with you? Seems like you are very anxious, very sad, very depressed. You are like so worried about something. Okay, you are being haunted by some thoughts of yours. Okay, perhaps it could be related to your partner, it could be related to your career, finances, and goals. Okay, seems like you are being very, very, very depressed. You are being somebody who is not able to sleep in nights. Okay, your own thoughts are haunting you. What's happening with you, Scorpio people? On the other hand, your partner's current energy is the Hermit in reverse. Seems like they were being somebody, or they were being somebody who was observing things or analyzing things earlier. Now they have done their homework and they are completely ready to take action. What's happening? Is it because your person is not talking to you, that's why you are feeling anxious or worried? Is it because they were in hermit energy earlier, that's why you are feeling sad and depressed? What is it? I'm seeing that this person is out from this hermit energy and they are somebody who's going to take action. Okay, they have gathered all the information, whatever they wanted. Now they are being somebody who want to take certain actions, some solid actions. Okay, let's see what happens. Now let's see how, oh my god, how you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you, Scorpio. How you see them and how they see you. The star. The star in reverse. Seems like you are dealing with Aquarius or Virgo with this Hermit card. So with the star card in reverse, you see them as somebody who has so many options in their life. You see them as somebody who is, okay, you see this person as somebody who is very Casanova, okay, or flirty kind of a person, okay, who has so many options in their life. Okay, you feel that now today they are talking to you, tomorrow they are going to talk with somebody else, day after tomorrow they are going to be with somebody else, somebody new. Okay, and that thing makes them toxic. That's how you see them and that's what you feel about them. Now let's see what your person sees about, how they see you and what they feel about you with this Ace of Pentacles. They see you as somebody who has started something new, okay, who has started a new chapter of their life. They see you as somebody who is eager to start something new. With this Ace of Pentacles, perhaps they see you as somebody who is very happy-go-lucky kind of a person, okay, who has a lot of dreams in their eyes, okay, who is somebody who uh, focuses on their work or finances or goals, okay. They see you as somebody who is very energetic when it comes to finances or career, okay. They also see you as somebody who is a go and getter, okay. You are not somebody who always wait for someone else. You always make your own path. All right, then why you are feeling sad? Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. No, you are not taking any action. Three of Swords. You feel that this person is already involved with so many other people. You see this relationship as a third party situation. Three of Swords. That thing is making you sick and tired. That thing has, you feel heartbroken, you feel disheartened, you feel that this person has left you in between. No action from your side. Five of Swords. Your person, I must tell you, this person is somebody who is very Casanova. Excuse me. Your person is somebody who knows how to play with other people, who knows how to, manipulate other people, okay, because they have that power, they have that charm, or they have that skill that turn their enemy into a sad soul, okay. They have given up in front of this person. This person must be a player. He is a player, he or she is a player. This person is player. They know how to manipulate people, they know how to manipulate you, and that's why everybody just given up in front of them. And I'm telling you, they are not going to take any action towards you. They are not taking any action towards you. They are not taking any action towards you. Perhaps you are being somebody who is into their love, and that's why you feel that, oh my god, why they are not talking to me. That's why you are feeling heartbroken, and that's why you are feeling sad and depressed. Let's see how you see yourself in this relationship, or what you feel about this relationship and what they feel about this relationship. What you feel about this relationship and what they feel about this relationship. Knight of Swords. You feel that this person is coming towards you, okay, and they are running as fast as they can towards you, okay. And you feel that, or it could also happen that you feel that you should move towards this person as fast as you can. You really want to talk to them, you really want to be with them, you really want to have heart-to-heart conversation with them, okay. You just want to see them, you just want to grab them, you just want to hug them, you just want to be with them. That's why you are being very, very impatient right now, okay. You just want to move ahead towards them as fast as you can, okay. You want everything very, very fast, very quickly. On the other hand, your person sees themselves in this relationship that, I'm telling you one thing, this person is taking you for granted, okay. They are not giving you what you want, what you deserve, okay. They are player, this is a flirt kind of a person, okay. This person is a flirt, this person is a player, okay. They know how to manipulate people, I told you, okay. They have everything, they can give you anything and everything, but they are not giving you. because they feel that you don't want it, or they just want to take you, they are just taking you for granted. That's what I'm saying, or that's what I'm feeling with this card, Six of Pentacles. They have time, they have energy, they have efforts, but since they are player, they are cheater, they are somebody who is a big time flirt, they are just manipulating somebody else. Okay. On the other hand, okay, let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy? What's the mutual energy between you and your person? What is the mutual energy? Eight of Cups. From your end, I feel, Scorpio, you have given up, or you're trying to move on from this person. Okay, because at times you feel that it's completely a waste of time to invest in this person anymore. Sometimes you feel that it's okay, I should move on. Okay, and when it comes to this person, your person, this person is looking for somebody new. They have seen all the cups, they have tested all the cups, now they are looking for somebody new. From your angle, you have moved on, and from his angle or from their angle, they are looking for somebody new. Okay, now let's see what is the overall energy of this reading. What is the overall energy of this reading? What is the overall energy of this reading for Scorpio? Scorpio people, I feel that divine is offering you something else, okay, which you are not seeing right now, or you are being somebody who does not want to see it because you are into your own energies right now, that you feel that it's okay, I should not see anything else, or I should not talk about anybody else now, this and that and blah blah blah. But I'm seeing the moment you will be out from this energy, from this person's life, okay, the moment you will be out from here, you are definitely going to experience new beginning in your life. Okay, somebody new, perhaps somebody new wants to enter in your life, but you are being so sad about this person, you are like thinking 24/7 about this person, you are not seeing what is coming towards you. Divine is offering you something new. Just be out from this person's zone. Chuck them out, please, out of your life. Throw them out. They are nobody, they are player. They are player, I'm telling you. Okay, let's take few angel messages for within the next few weeks. What's going to happen within the next few weeks? Are you going to be completely out of this person's energy zone, or what? Please clarify, angels, what is going to be happen within the next few weeks. Not the right time. This is not the right time for you to invest in this person anymore. Okay, and within the next few weeks, you are definitely going to see some new changes in your life. Only the moment you will be out from this energy, the moment you will open your eyes, you are definitely going to see a new beginning in your life. Okay, so yes, Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this 9 of Swords, with this Knight of Swords, 5 of Swords, okay, and 3 of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Aquarius with the Star card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, so some of you could be dealing with that too, with this 8 of Cups and 4 of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Ace of Pentacle and 6 of Pentacle. And we have Virgo in this reading with this Hermit card in reverse. Alright. So Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.